pointy things.
Okay, copyrighted music.
Yes. What you said.
The rights to something, not something that's been written.
English 101 with my mother. I've never, ever been to an Ikea.
Recalculating. Turn left.
Oh gosh.
GPS doesn't think we're here. Anyway, I wanted to share this for those of you that watch Doctor Who and have seen classic Who.
They're here. There's Greg's car.
I picked up a bag of jelly babies. We're here in Jungle Gyms. I've never had one, so we're gonna see. Well, they smell. I mean, they don't look that appetizing, but they smell like jelly beans. So we'll see. Assuming it's purple, so it's great. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a cross between a jelly bean and like the candied orange slices, because it's the outside, the inside's squishier than the outside, but still awful like a jelly bean. Not bad.
Oh, and Mini Cooper bits.
Try and carry these around and walk up to people and say, "Would you like a jelly baby?"
Oh crap.
No. Fail.
I was going to park there, but I guess I won't. I was all excited. There's their car. Time to go to Ikea.
I like the lights. That's cool. Who in their right mind thinks that somebody would be tall enough
Yeah.
to actually get up to a shelf that high? What, do you think Shaquille O'Neal's gonna live in this kitchen or what? Yeah. Just showing, we're did the meat and potatoes of the Ikea experience, where you pick up all the stuff you picked out.
Is this recording?
Yes.
Okay. Hang on left.
It's like being at Home Depot or Sam's Club.
Only more fun.
Well, yeah, more fun than Home Depot or Sam's Club. Although Sam's Club, they got more,
Better class of
got more stuff to
clientele.
eat.
Oh, they've still got some cool stuff to eat.
Well, yeah. Oh. What? And could the aisle numbers be up any higher? What aisle we want? Oh, be right behind these, what, mattresses? Somebody's getting to bed. What bed? Well, no, because
It's obviously not right.
no, we're at 27. Yeah. We can read. Yeah. Hooked on phonics work for me. Yeah, it's more like it. You're still gonna need a cart, aren't you? Isn't that kind of heavy? My mother, the he woman.